Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome back to another schema scalper video. Today we're going to be going through the trade that I took and how I could have maybe improved that. It's going to be an ICT Silver Bullet setup. The one from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Silver Bullet time. Let's get into it. If you haven't seen my previous video, how I caught the high of Nasdaq on 27th of July, go and watch that video because you'll understand why I came to the conclusion that this was going to be the high of the day. It's actually quite simple. I just use the break projection, but if you haven't watched the video, go and watch it. Yeah. So there's the start of the Silver Bullet time, 10 a.m. This is 11 a.m. Buy side has been taken already. We've had a market structure shift right here. Fair value gap has been respected. Up here, fair value gap has been respected. And with the market structure shift, just mark it up properly. Oh, man. It's up here. Now I'm just waiting for the time to hit. Just waiting for it to hit the fair value gap within this time frame. As you'll see, there's buy side liquidity that was already taken out. There's another smaller fair value gap inside here. This is 3 minutes before we're actually looking for trade setups. I'm just gonna use default. Okay, also ugly. Now if we are under the understanding, or we ever thought that the market's going to go lower, we now need to mark out sell side liquidity. It's taken buy side, so now we can mark out sell side, which is the 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. extreme low. So it's right there, but I usually use swing points. So the swing point here, this would be my sell side liquidity, and I usually mark up the date as well, so it's just easier for me to go by 27th July, and it's AM liquidity. If you're wondering how I got this sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, go and check the ICT video, one trade setup for life. It will be in the description as well. Now just waiting for it to either make another fair value gap lower or come into this fair value gap so you can get an entry. And do it slowly. Now you'll see that there's a fair value gap inside here, the one that broke market structure. You could use that, but there's another smaller one above that. That's also of importance because it's still above buy side liquidity, and you want to be entering at or above buy side, or at or above market open price. For sells, at or above day opens for sells, depending on just what you want to do that session, or if you're trading with daily, or how long you want to stay in the trade. So I actually got in right here, short position. My stop was above this fair value gap. I actually got in at the top of this fair value gap. Stop was above this fair value gap because this one is already respected. It's already above liquidity, respect the first fair value gap. So I just put the stop up there, will be safer. I have a 13-point stop, and my targets were initially this 9 o'clock, 9:30. Here's a 9:30 low. The 9:30 low was my target, 719, which is 60 points. And then my second target would have been 15,600 for AM session liquidity. Let's see how it plays out. I got tagged in. They won't show that now, but I did get tagged in because it was market execution. 13 points. Right now, market got into this fair value gap, and it's respecting it for now. So I'm just looking for something above market price that's saying that it should be going down. For instance, this fair value gap up here, and this fair value gap inside here. So as long as it doesn't take this higher, that was what I was thinking at the time. As long as it doesn't take this higher, I'll stay in the trade. And we'll see what happened. Broke below the fair value gap. Kept just going down. Just tanking. So now we're above these relative equal lows. These relative equal lows, which are inside the, we'll mark this also as sell side. It's not as important as the earlier area marked with 2 AM, but it's also area of sell side. So down here now we look. I actually took my position off here because I wasn't willing to hold it all the way. So that was my trade. 1 to 7, 1 to 7.5. My initial target was the 600, but I thought it was a bit extreme for the day. Even though now in hindsight, look at it and like, wow, I could have just left the target there. I could have gotten another 70 points. But you know, we take what we get. We don't get upset. We can just see what happened after. I'll let it play out. And I'll stop the video here. If you guys enjoyed that breakdown, please like, subscribe, and comment maybe how I could be improving my trading. Yeah, have a good day. Cheers.